Guys, I'm gonna start small on WKHS short. I'm gonna start small. Our risk is above 1755s, guys. Ideally 1760s. So I'm starting small on 16. Let me see, 1733s. If it does come back up to 1750s and holds, I'll probably add to it. But the stop would be 1760s. Come on, let's go. WKHS. I need this WKHS to break 1720s, and then we're looking at 17s, guys. There it goes. Right, there it goes. I'm just gonna bring my stop down to just over 1750s. I need to get that 17s, guys. I'm gonna take my partials around 17s, not before it. Alright, guys, ALF, guys. I'm gonna try 1735s, 1765s your stop, guys. Alright, WKH is doing good. Okay, I might take a partial just if it does give me a good chance to take it. Hope anybody took ALF, guys. 1730s, 1735s. Alright, your stop is 1765s, guys. 1765s, and we're looking at 17s. Just take some out 17s. Not a lot though, guys, because this could run. Personally, I'm not taking anything out on ALF yet. I'll take out 1675 areas. And WKHS still with the stop, it's just over 1750s. I just couldn't take anything out at 1710s, guys. That's where I would have taken if it did give me a chance. It never did. Just a spike. But I'm still waiting for it. That's pretty much it. I'm in 2 trades, guys. WKHS, ALF. That's pretty much it. DBGI is looking good. Right, DBGI. As you can see, guys, we're talking about the 650 levels, although that went to 660. This is all day fader for me, guys. Any pops is gonna get shorted on this, guys. So be careful longing this. Imagine, you know, you're a breakout trader, 650s, you took long on it, you get shanked big time, guys. So this will do that. I expect this to be all day faders. Most cases it is. Some cases it might not be. It's not guaranteed, guys. Just remember that. WKH is looking good. 1710s. Give me something. If you want to be really aggressive with your stop, guys, just put your stop to break even. My stop is 1752s, guys, just over 1750s, right? Not on break even. If you had your stop break even, it would have probably stopped you out on break even. And on this one, my stop is on break even, 1735s. Right. Still waiting on ALF, guys. Quite a range. Okay, ALF. There we go. There we go. Alright. I'm going to try and stake some out, guys. 1670s. 1670s. If it can take me... Come on, give me 1670s. 72s. 72s. Yep. Oh. Good. 65s. 69s. 60s, 70s, around 65. So I'm out partial, guys. Half of the position, 65s, and obviously my stop has already been on break even, guys. So I'm running the runners on this. It's clearly a winner. So if anybody took that, guys, this is your partial area right now. And then you want to have your stop to break even and let the rest run. If it does break 1650s, we're looking for good 16. But be careful, guys. This low here could actually hold this for a while. 1650s area. So definitely take your partial. Don't leave it full size here. So as you can see, guys, clearly, even my first partial on this is from my initial stop. It's 2 to 1, almost 2 to 1. So I mean, I don't have to be right all the time. WKHS, let's have a look at that trade. 1735s was the entry and 1752 was the stop, but I got out 1747. So that's about 12 cents. But have a look from 1735s to 1710s, 25 cents. I didn't take that partial, guys. So I am looking for way more than sometimes 2 to 1 even for my first partial. And if it's one of the best trades, then it could go for multiple partials. Usually I take like 3 partials if it's a successful trade. That means that I'm looking like sometimes it could be 10 to 1. Okay, guys, can you see this? If this starts to break down, and the chances of this gets taken out are very high as well, guys. And if that gets taken out, then we're looking at 1640s, another level from daily. 1640s and then 16s easily. So let's wait for that, guys. ATOS. Why do these things keep running? Right. If it does bounce back to 765's ATOS, guys, I'm gonna take it, but I might not actually. 765's, I'm gonna take it short. 765's, I'm looking at ATOS. And your stop basically is 775's, guys, 10 cents. The first partial is a bit less than 2 to 1, but that'll work. DBGI, guys, I am gonna start a bit slow here. 695 to 720s, that's just a bit of a risk, guys. Risk accordingly. If you're gonna trade this short, DBGI is a bit risky, under 7s, and your risk actually is 718, 720s. I'm gonna start small on this, guys. DBGI starting small. Alright, that's oh yeah. Okay, I'm taking some out. 640s. Yep. Awesome. 640s. What did I get that? 645s. Yeah. Yes. There we go, guys. Put the stop to break even. Stop to break even. DBGI. Alright, guys, if it does wash to 6s, we're gonna take some out. In fact, I might take more than 50% out. I'll leave only 20% remaining on this, guys. 790s, sorry, 690s. That's our short. And then my partial was around 645s. DBGI, guys, if it does pop up to 680s, I might even add there, guys. DBGI, if it does pop to 680s, and also I want to make sure I read that obviously tape around that 680 level. It might not actually. So our ALF, we are still waiting for that ALF to break down. There we go. Our DBGI is working nicely. It didn't give us a chance. Well, it did. I was waiting for 680 to add, but that's fine. I want this low to break now, 620s, and then our 6 is very close. Now, guys, if you are actually a bit impatient with your stops, bring your stop down to 670s, but I'm gonna keep it at 690s around the break even. Right, 605s. I'll take 605, 607s, guys. I'm ready for a partial on this as well. Second partial. 6. Oh, thanks, man. Thanks, Will. Stick around. You won't regret it because this is as real as it gets. You're not in a channel where it's all flashy. You will see as it is, you know. Although sometimes you might not like it, well, but hey, that's how markets work. Okay, guys, now definitely I'm putting my stop to 675s, right? Let's bank in some here. So our stop 675s, guys. If it just in case if it bounces. No, we are shorting, Will. We've actually shorted it under 7, 690s. We've shorted it right here. Can you see the charts, by the way? Right there. You see the pink arrow there? And then our first partial was 645s, my 645 partial. And then I wanted to get out some close to 6. So we already have a trade running that's short on this. And also we have a trade running on ALF. We shorted it right here, 1727s, 30s. My trade actually was 1735s. And then the first partial already taken on it, around 1670s. So yeah, we've got 2 good trades running. And we also took, I believe, WKHS. WKHS basically took us out just about 10 cents. 10 cents loss. So 3 trades of the day. ALF. But CERE is quite risky, guys. So be very careful. Yes, ALF. Right. 1620s. I need to take some out, guys. 1620s. Okay, watching the level 2. 1620 is about to get taken out. Then we have 1616s. And that, if that gets taken out, 16s might be possible. 1616s. 1620s. I'm taking some out 1620s, guys. Just took some out. Right, so guys, I'm bringing the stop back down to 1675s on ALF. 1675s is the stop goes down, and we're making sure on the final percentage of the position we are actually getting something, at least if it does bounce back. Don't leave it or on break even. Bring it down to 1675s. Alright, so ALF seems like our best trade today, unless the DBGI breaks the 6s, which will be a bit difficult. Come on, DBGI, give us the second exit at 605s. I'm gonna put a limit order around 607s just to get that wash if it does wash to 6s. And then if that takes me out, I'll have like 20% remaining on this, which will be a runner. I barely have anything left on ALF, guys. I've got a runner and my stop is on 1677s. 611s. I might take some out here, guys, on DBGI. I'm watching DBGI for a partial. 609s. 609s. Come on. 610s. I'm taking some 610s out. 610s out on DBGI. Some partial out. I'm actually gonna keep my stop over 652s, guys, on DBGI. Pull the stop down. Pull the stop down to 652s. That's what I'm doing on my platform. And that's our trade. If anybody who's missed these trades we took, if you can go back to the beginning of the open, our trades were just after 10 minutes of the open. So you can check back on how we traded it. Alright, DBGI. Okay, let's see if you want to break that 6. If you do break that, then that'll be it for me. As soon as you wash after that break, I'll take everything off on the DBGI. I'm waiting this area to break, guys. 6. And on ALF, I want to see if the lows 16s gets taken out. Although, having said that, guys, clearly ALF has done its move. Don't expect too much, guys. You know, if you haven't taken, if you've got a big position running, you want to take a lot of it out. I only have like 20% running on this, so I'm okay with that. But just probability-wise, it's not gonna do much after this. DBGI, well done. We've got another wash on DBGI, guys. You can. I'm gonna be going soon, so I'm gonna take some out. Well, actually, everything out. 585s. It's just broken 6, so I'm thinking it might be another round of at least 10-20 cents. I'm taking everything off 585, guys. Yeah, 580, close to 585, so I will watch the tape here. DBGI. Still waiting on DBGI to hit my 585s. Under 590s, 589s, 88s. Come on, I'm waiting to take some out. 86, 85s. Come on, come on, come on. 586, guys. I took everything off, guys. 586. 586. So that's basically, have a look, guys. I mean, it's almost 4 to 1, 5 to 1. That'll be our average exit, isn't it, for the whole thing, or maybe a bit higher, but you get the idea, guys. That's your risk, that's your profit. Done. All you need is one trade like this, guys. You don't need a lot. And on this one as well, same idea. Our trade was there. Just trying to be a bit more visual on this. So that was it. That was entry. That was the stop. And if we do take it, let's say I take my exit right now, that's what it would look like. Yeah, actually blue looks okay. Yeah, so the risk and the reward, guys.